Hey everybody, I'm going to do another air fryer video. We're going to be using the Elite Platinum air fryer. I'll put a link at the bottom here to Amazon if you want to check it out. And basically just doing some air fried chicken. It's cheap, 5 legs, 286. Need seasoning of your choice. This is what I'm going to be using today, but you can use whatever you want. Need some olive oil and a bowl to mix it up in. And I'm going to make this quick. Total time on this with cooking and everything is 25-30 minutes. And basically what's going to happen, we're going to put the chicken legs into the bowl, pour some olive oil in there, shake it up to coat it. And then we've got some cooking spray sprayed on the air fryer to keep it from sticking to that. And we'll season it up, use the chicken setting to cook it, and pretty much done deal. All right, chicken's in the bowl, olive oil. Just shake it to get it coated. Alright, then as mentioned, I sprayed some non-stick cooking spray in the air fryer. Keep it from sticking. And put our chicken in. Alright, now chicken's in there. What I like to do is just season up one side. Flip it all over. Season the other side. And then I like to cook it skin side up. I don't know what difference it makes, but it's what I tend to do with it. So now that it's all seasoned and everything, this air fryer, there's the camera here, it's actually got a preset for chicken. Mode, want a chicken, so it's going to cook it for 400 degrees. And it's going to go for 24 minutes. And it may not even need the whole 24 minutes, but this is simple, so I just let it go 25 minutes. So I just let it go the whole time, and then we'll pull it out. I'll cut a couple pieces up so you can see what it looks like. And so I'll be checking back here in about 25 minutes. All right, so done cooking here. I'm going to show you what we got here. So that's what it comes out as. And I'll pull the biggest piece there in the middle out, and we'll take a look at it. So that's 25 minutes at 400, which is just the auto setting. And see, it's cooked all the way through. And you've noticed on the skin here, it's hot, but it's it's like fried chicken. Just a little bit of olive oil and all that. And you can do whatever you want. Put barbecue sauce, whatever you want. Shake it in hot sauce or not, season it and shake it, however you want to do it. But anyway, it's just a super quick video. Like I said, total time on this was right about maybe 28-29 minutes. And it's easy air fried chicken. Any questions, comments, leave them in the comments. And once again, there's a link in the description if you want to check out this particular air fryer or any other air fryers on Amazon. And that'll do it for this video. We'll talk to everybody later.